Hello everyone. In this video I would like to introduce you guys how to use the K6H properly. So when you get the machine, after you open the box, you get the machine like this. First go to the back of the machine. What we have here, this is a power cable, and this is a breaker. This is a breaker, and this is the power switch. Yeah, so it's for power on the machine. And here, this is a airbag. We call it airbag inflating speed adjuster. So normally, please do not adjust this one. Okay, this is very important. In this machine, we did not put the warning. Actually, in your machine, you will see a warning. We recommend you don't touch this. If you don't know how to set it, don't touch this one. Okay, this is very important. Don't mess up the setting of this adjuster. It's very important. Okay, come to the back. Here, what we have is a water filter. So after you operate like 50 pieces screen, you might have to press this to remove the water from this filter. Remember, if you want to remove the water, you cannot remove like this, because right now the compressor is not working, so it's very hard for you to remove the water. So what we do, we recommend you to go to the bubble remover system. You have to start the compressor. So when the compressor is working, now the compressor is working, this debubble, this guardian is going up. So right now is the good time to release the water. So you come here, use your finger, you press, you can see, so the water will be released very fast. Okay? Let's stop here. So that's the introducing of the back of this machine. Okay, so now let's go to the laminator. So when you open, this is the laminator. So the question for some customer is how to put the screen in the laminator. If you don't have our 2-in-1 alignment and lamination mode, you have to laminate like this. So this is the iPhone 4.7. So you have to put the screen like this. Glass face down, the screen face up, and then you put this. This is the sponge. This machine, it comes with 2 pieces rubber, sponge rubber. So after you finish the alignment, you put the screen inside, and then you use this sponge, this rubber, you put on the screen inside the frame, and then like this, you go to auto mode, you press start. Remember, after you press the start, then you close the door. Okay, do not close the door first and then press start, because sometimes this airbag, it was inflated, it has pressure inside. So if you close the door, sometimes it will pre-laminate, so it will have bubble inside. So that's why we recommend you press start button first, then you close the door, then it will go to lamination. Okay. Okay, come to the controller. So first, see, this is the auto motor. This is the debubber. Debubber we will not use in the K6H. I mean, in this controller we will not use this function, because K6H debubber is here. So when you power off this button, it will go to debubber. This autoclave, it will inflate. So if you want to stop, you just press. The pressure will be released. So come to the temperature. So this is lamination temperature. This is debubber temperature. Default setting is 45 seconds. And the default setting, vacuum time 60, lamination 25, debubber 600. You don't have to change the setting. Okay? All the default setting from factory is recommended. Please do not change the setting. Okay, this is very important. And come to the vacuum and the lamination. The default vacuum setting is -90, and the lamination default setting is -70. Okay, this is the setting number. This is the currently number. Okay, this is the real number now in your airbag. This is the real vacuum now in the laminator, in here laminator. So if you do not understand, please do not mess up the setting of this 2 meter. Many customers, they do not understand that they always reprogram this 2 meter and make problem for their machine. So if you do not understand, don't change this setting, okay? Use the default setting -90 and use the default setting lamination for iPhone or the regular flat screen use -70. But if you want to do the Samsung Edge is like this. When you do the Samsung Edge, for example, this is the A7 Edge, you put it on the rubber, the lamination way is like this. The screen is face up, okay? It's like this. So sometimes when we do the Edge, we change the pressure. Normally we can use -50. So you use these 2 buttons. You don't have to press this blue button. You just use the up and the down key to change the setting. So look, now I'm changing it to -50. That's it, okay? Whatever you want to change, you just use this up and down button to change the number what you want. So okay, you go to auto mode. You will see the vacuum, lamination, the time, everything is here, and the setting is here. And this is the debugger. This is the debugger gauge. So when you get the machine, look, we have not put the handle on the debugger. It's like this. You have to use a screwdriver to install this handle. Then you put your screen inside. Make sure you close the door properly. Make sure, okay, this is very important because this is the autoclave. It has big pressure inside. After you close the door, then you go here, exhaust. Then this autoclave will be inflated with high pressure. Normally we have 6.5 bar pressure for debugging, okay? So this is the introducing for this. This is the P6H2019, the latest model. Some of the customer, if their machine is the old version, like this machine, this is the 2018 version. This monitor, what we use is SMC. It's not a. This is the Automaster, customized Automaster one. This is the SMC one. SMC one, do not go to the menu. Okay, many customers when they go to the menu, they miss the setting and has problem. So this machine, you also don't have to. You know, when you get a machine, you don't have to change. I mean, the vacuum and the other setting, you don't have to change. Only you change the number, lamination, the pressure, you use the up and the down button. Don't go to the S means go to the menu. Don't go to the menu. If you go inside and you mess up the setting, machine will not work. Okay? But for all the new machine, the new K6H, the new version, we don't have this problem because we already locked the menu. So you cannot change the advanced menu. You cannot change. So it's more easy for you guys. So if your machine is the old version, the power button is here, and here is also the exhaust is for the bubble removing. But as what I told you guys, here has a pressure adjuster. This is for lamination, airbag inflating, the speed adjuster. Normally, please do not touch here. Only when you laminate, when you start laminate, you go to auto mode, you start laminate. When this lamination time, when this vacuum time counting finish, it will start the lamination. So the number will drop from -100. If your maximum vacuum is -100, when it drop, if you find this number, you find this number not drop. I mean, you see when this machine laminate, it will drop from -100 to if we set -70, it will drop like -100, 95, 90, 85, 80, it will drop to 60 or 70. When it arrives to 70, it will stop dropping. But if your machine not dropping, if your machine here not dropping, which means maybe this adjuster you had closed, you have tightened it, means you closed, so no air go to the airbag. So at that moment you have to loosen a little bit. Don't loosen a lot, just loosen like one round, slowly, and you see the number. You see if the number dropping a lot. Okay. Normally, after you adjust this number will drop slowly. Okay. This is very important. Sometimes if you don't use the machine properly, maybe the airbag broken. By something like the frame, something sharp, or the cracked glass inside and break the screen. Then airbag broken. Then you will find when vacuum time counting finish, go to lamination, you will find these two numbers dropping together. So this number, it will drop. If here is minus 99, here is minus 99. Normally, only this number dropping, but this number should not dropping. But if you found this number dropping as well, like minus 99 drop to 95, 94, 93, which means your airbag is broken. At that moment, you have to replace the new airbag. We have videos on our website to instruct you guys how to replace the new airbag. Okay? So wish you guys good luck. Don't put something, the cracked glass inside to break this, the airbag. Okay? So if your machine is the old version, you don't have this this pressure adjuster on the back. What you have is the inside. So you have to open this back panel. You found this. This is the same. This is the pressure speed adjuster. So if your machine is like this, you have to open, you have to pull up, and then you loosen. You guys know how to loosen, right? Loosen like one round. This way is for tighten, this way is for loosen. So you loosen one round, you see if the number dropping. If they are not dropping, you loosen another round. Okay? So be careful, don't go to here. If the machine works properly, don't change the setting. Okay, everyone, thanks for your watching this video. Make sure do not mess up the setting. If you don't understand the machine, do not do that. Otherwise, your machine will not work. Because from our experience, we had some customers, the machine not work properly because of the reprogrammed the machine, especially when they reprogrammed this 2 meter machine not working. But now this new model is more, more easy for us because we did the upgrading. But I wish you guys, if you have questions, just connect with Automaster support. You go to our website, you can find the support WeChat, the phone number, or the email. You contact with us. We will video call and instruct you to how to fix the machine if it has problem. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.